It's another episode of Jethro's Garage, where the only project we've got going on is cleaning. That's the cleanest that bench has been in a long time. Sometimes you've got to step back and clean your environment before you can do anything else. I mean, that's what Mr. Pig would say. That trash can is an accomplishment. This will be the second time I've filled it this week. Why, among things I've thrown out were service reports from boats I worked on in 1993 in Florida. I'm never going to see those boats again. Oh, and here's a welding helmet that broke the strap. And I thought, hey, I could get a grinder shield and cannibalize it for the strap. But, you know, this thing's been sitting around here for years and I'm never going to fix it. And there's a spray gun that, well, it needed some gaskets, but the rebuild kit for that costs more, if I can find it, than I can just go buy a Harbor Freight HVLP gun for. So anyway, I'm thinking, hey, maybe I could give this helmet to some deserving person. Yeah, I'll put it on Facebook Marketplace for free. No, because I'll be besieged by dozens of messages saying, hey man, I want that. And I'll give them the address, and then they'll never show up. So, goodbye. Anyway, I got a lot more to do. I'm getting rid of this old cabinet and replacing it with more of a rolling tool cabinet with drawers in it. Anyway, that is absolutely all the wisdom I have for right now. Jethro out.